Sir, you do realize that when you hear the beeps, you gotta raise your hand.
Okay, yeah, one more time.
No, I'm sorry. Sir, we're very busy. I'm sorry. We just don't have enough time.
No, seriously, I'll get it right.
No.
One more time.
Sir, sorry.
Well, you got another appointment.
I'm gonna have to certify you as legally deaf. There you go. Thank you, sir, for coming in. Can you please send the next person in? That'd be great. Thank you.